Mommy, not to surprise the Lord. Don't be sure she will take it again. And after mommy, she's done that because I know she's running outside. Mrs. Odunlade Adekola, but no, I saw her now. We need her to join them for the cutting of the cake. I saw her just now. Mrs. Odunlade Adekola, the beautiful one of this man over here, we need also to join. And mommy, now the film mother, they have the opportunity of dealing with him anytime. Both of them are like P-Square, Peter and Paul. The legendary, beautiful, gorgeous, episodic, dynamic icon. Please show wonderful hands together for our beautiful mommy. My money here, Madam Shacha, can you please make some noise? When I say mommy, you say oh yo yo. Mommy, oh yo yo. Mommy won't back. Oh no. So also, what did I tell you? Mrs. Odunlade Adekola is here. She wants to escape. You can't escape anywhere. I'm here. So also, we would like to call the chairman of Toilets Films Holdings. Please, we would like to see your stage. It's a round of applause for him as he comes. This next man I'm about to call, we've been brothers from way back, and he did not know until I met him the other day. I'm like, share mommy, share me. You know, he knows I'm talking about him. Ladies and gentlemen, the Adeshikole Jenny, world famous, episodic culture, ladies and gentlemen, please show some love for no other than the wonderful, honorable Femi Adebayo. Can you jam your hands to Femi Adebayo to join us on stage? The church chairman, ladies and gentlemen. For this OAP Awards distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to invite Mr. Yemi Amodu to also join them on stage. With Bukola Aruba to also join them on stage. Bukola Aruba will also leave you up here. Ladies and gentlemen, the world famous Isola Things will also need you to join us on stage. Thank you. I won't be the one to coordinate this cake, you see. So you may call it my coordinate cake. Maybe I'm going to do much of like me, which is 20. My coordinate cake. Wow. Anytime I see the first person I always ask is his wife. Ladies and gentlemen, a very wonderful actor. Please your wonderful hands together to join us, Mr. Afis, or what, to also join us. Put your hands together for him. A round of applause for a perfect gentleman. Thank you very much, sir. A round of applause, put your hands together. Thank you. I won't call you. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, he will be the one to coordinate it. I told you the other time I'm going to want to call him a very handsome actor and a person on the call. Please say wonderful hands together from Mr. Lee. Show some love. Thank you. Show some love.
First, I would like to say it's a rare privilege doing this with legends and my fathers and my mothers. Ebo, thank you for allowing me to be on. We're going to spell OAFB together and then we call it cake. OAFB stand to achieve. If you want to achieve, say it now. OAFB stand to achieve. Alright, can we put our hands on the cake for you? Because paparazzi is this. Alright. That's it. But I say give me an O, we get O together. I will together, please. I will together. Some of me here one. O together. Alright, give me an O. Give me an A. Give me an F. Give me an B. A round of applause, please put hands together for this wonderful basis. Thank you. God bless you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.